I wish I had smell-o-vision, you guys, because oh, it's so good. Hey, hi, it's Mads, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? We have been making some really sweet dupe holiday decor and also some low-waist holiday decor here on this channel. And today I wanted to add another entry into the low-waist or homemade holiday decor clump of stuff that I'm making. I don't know what to really call it, to be so honest with you. I want to make homemade garlands, particularly a dried fruit garland and a dried herb garland. You're only gonna need a couple of things to make these garlands, and most of them you might already have in your home, or you can get them at your local grocery store. First being citrus fruits. I have a grapefruit, some oranges, and some lemons today. Any citrus that you can find will work. And don't worry about the rinds being super pretty or the fruit being perfect. It is going to be sliced and dried, and use what you can get locally. You're also gonna want some herbs. I have gathered rosemary, thyme, and mint for this, but again, just like the citrus, you can use any fresh herbs you can get your hands on at your local grocery store. And the additional materials for this are just going to be a pair of scissors and some twine. I would also say have some toothpicks or something to poke a hole in the citrus with. Do this with a toothpick or a pen or anything you have laying around. So buckle up, a buttercup, grab yourself a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's make something really pretty. Traditionally, these garlands are made with just oranges. I've seen the other fruits and stuff, but I really wanted to incorporate many different kinds of fruits. Look at this orange, it's so pretty. I wanted to incorporate the grapefruit and the lemons because I really love grapefruits and lemons and they smell so delicious. I'm a big citrus girl, so I wanted to incorporate a few different types of citrus, not only to add like a variation in size, but also in color and to just increase the citrus scent. I've come across really beautiful versions of this garland that are done with blood oranges. There wasn't any at my local grocery stores. I checked a few and I couldn't find any. So we are just going with plain oranges, this beautiful ruby grapefruit, and the lemons. These oranges are so good, I almost don't want to do this. My fruit is all cut. I'm going to preheat my oven here to 200 degrees, essentially almost just as low as my oven will go. While it's preheating, I'm gonna start drying off the fruit with some paper towel. Once all the juices are pressed out, you're gonna take those pieces and place them on a lined baking sheet, and you want them to touch. You just don't want them to overlap or they won't dry evenly. All right, my citrus is out of the oven. The lemons did not work out. They still need like another hour. So we are just gonna do the oranges and the grapefruit. I've got a couple strung here already and they are looking just beautiful. I love the way this looks. So let me talk you through how I'm stringing. You do want to let them cool out of the oven. You don't want to use them right away. You don't want to use them right away out of the oven. So make sure they cool and they're ready to use. They will be nice and hard and brittle. Listen. They're beautiful and they're ready to be strung up. Some of them got a little burnt, but I think that's okay. I like the way, I still think they look really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is kind of trying to find a spot where it's chunkier and I like the way it's sitting. And all I'm gonna do is pierce the flesh with my toothpick. You can see that it makes like a little hole. And in that same hole, I'm just gonna wiggle the toothpick around to make it a little bit bigger because my thread is quite large. You see the little hole there? And then directly across from it on the other side, do the same thing. A hole. So I've got one on this side and one on that side. And with my twine, push it through the flesh like the little hole we made and string it through the other side as well. And then on the front, it's nice and clean, but on the back, it has the string through it. You want to just very carefully string it through. Just keep adding. You can do any pattern or any size and shape variation. I'm just going to stick to this, I think. I think I'll end up with the right amount here, like if I just map it out. 2 more oranges, and then 1 more grapefruit, and then an orange. Gathered here to make my second garland. I wanted to do something with fresh herbs that would dry out over the next month. I always love having fresh herbs in the house. Here I've got a plate of rosemary, thyme, and a bundle of mint that honestly has seen better days. She's looking a little sad, so I think she needs to be dried out. And I've got my twine and my scissors. And all I'm gonna do is make little bundles. You don't need to use multiple types of herbs. If you are gonna just use one, I really recommend rosemary. That's my favorite. But I'm gonna make little bundles of the 3 herbs together, and I'm probably gonna make 5 or 7 of them, depending on how much herbage I have here. I think I can get 5 comfortably, maybe 7. And I'm going to tie those up with a little piece of twine and then thread those onto a larger piece that we can hang from the curtain rod. Oh, it smells so good. I can't get enough of it. I just want to bathe in it. Between the citrus and the herb smell, this is just delicious. I'm also adding a little twine bow at the top of each of these little guys, just to continue the bow theme of the rest of my house. Unnecessary detail, but a sweet detail nonetheless. Got the orange garland, or I guess it's the orange and grapefruit. I think the grapefruit is so pretty. Up, and I also have my herbs up, and I'm just going to loop it onto the sides here. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. Oh wow, I love the way the sun comes through them. That is so stunning. Many of these left. I think I'm gonna make a second one for the bathroom. It is just so pretty. Ooh, I love the way the sunlight moves through them. I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. And the herbs and this, I wish I had smell-o-vision, you guys, because oh, it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys again on Sunday, because this video is for Wednesday. I will see you guys again on Sunday. If you're not already subscribed, this is your time to do it. I am bullying you. Subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, I'm not gonna do anything, but I might cry. So figure that out, because I don't want to cry, and I don't think you want me to cry. Do you want me to cry? I don't think you want me to cry. Anyway, I'm also doing Vlogmas over on my vlog channel, and it's not really Vlogmas, it's more me getting my shit together. I used to do some of those videos here, and I'm really like getting my shit together for December, and I am daily vlogging that in like the Vlogmas vibes. So I will see you guys over there every day, and I will see you guys here twice a week for the rest of the year. Bye!